Welcome everyone, and without wasting your time, let's start your topic, center of gravity. We know we studied in previous classes that the gravitational force of attraction between two masses is always attractive in nature, and Earth attracts everything towards its center because of the gravitational force. Earth attracts every particles towards its center because of gravitational force, and this gravitational force on the particle is known as its weight. In previous classes we studied that the force of gravitation is always attractive in nature, and we know that Earth attracts every single particle towards its center by the force of gravitation, and this force of gravitation on the particle is known as the weight of the particle. Let's consider a body contains a number of particles, uncountable number of particles, say W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, and they all act vertically downwards, means their weight is acting vertically downward, and they are parallel to each other, vertically downward, parallel to each other. Now the weight of this whole body will be equal to sum of all these weights. Suppose the total weight of the body is capital W, and this will be equal to W1, W2, W3, W4, dot dot dot, the number of particles as many as there is. Now the question arises, where should this weight W act? Here you see W1 acts here and vertically downward, W5 is acting vertically downward here, but where should this weight W work? This weight W will work at a point G, where the sum of moment of force will be equal to just 0, means sum of anti-clockwise moment plus sum of clockwise moment will be 0 about this point. Then this point will be known as, suppose this point is G and this point will be CG, means center of gravity of this body, means sum of clockwise and sum of anti-clockwise. In previous videos we learned that the clockwise moment we take negative and anti-clockwise moment we take positive. If we add, we'll get 0, and about this point will be center of gravity. A body can be balanced at its center of gravity. For example, a meter rule can be balanced from its midpoint at 50 centimeter mark. Meter rule can be balanced at its midpoint 0, it's 50 centimeter and it's 100 centimeter mark. Now if a body is freely suspended and it comes to rest, then its center of gravity just vertically below the point of suspension. For example, suppose a disk is freely suspended by a thread and it is moving. But when it comes to rest, its center of gravity CG will be just below its point of suspension.